Alright, Rum Busy here. This is the next day. I'm gonna try bust off the hub of the lowering control arm. You know how they got a little ball joint on the hub? It's stuck to the lowering control arm. I guess rust holding it together, so I take the hammer and lick till I get it off, because couldn't do it last time I was tired out, but I'm gonna try today. So yeah, I let them know how that goes. It's a pain, it's a headache to get this one little thing off, a headache. But yeah, you're under the house now. What you call this? This is not tent, this is the house, but put AC up in here and not bed, you can sleep up here. That's it. Alright, caliper is off. Try this. Screw this back on. Yes! Fuck. That's how you get it out. Cut my finger though. Look at that. Slice open my finger. You know this, so I don't got bleed the brakes when I put the other stuff, the other engine back in. Could I take off the whole caliper, but just leave the caliper hook on so I don't got bleed the brakes. Alright. On to the next hub. Alright, so I'm gonna take off this side, you know. Loosen up these bolts before I jack up the car. Why you got this mallet for? Sometimes. Yeah. I don't want to come off. Alright. Jack up this side then. Oh shit. Oh, I hate this shit. What the fuck? Right under that, boss. I'm gonna set up this light, then run the extension cord through, so shut this down real quick, hopefully. This is a 17. Pull it off. Yeah, don't give me no problem now. Off. 10. Next 10. And next 17 behind the caliper holding it on. We're gonna bust that off too. On the top bolt for the caliper, there's a next one that sit right under it. You can't see it. If I had my cameraman I could have shown him, but he got school tomorrow, so go on lay down. I could stay up late. Alright, remove the caliper off. Like I said, taking off the whole hub and thing, and then not taking off the caliper because I ain't trying to bleed no brakes. None at all. Pull off this fork. This is the fork. And this top. This side. Bring that on the ground. Just remove the whole fork from the, what would you call this again? I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic and I don't know the names of these things. I just know how to use. Take them off. That's all I know. These ratchets, what they call what, 3, 4.5 inch, whatever. All I know is how to take them off. See how I loosen that up now? That the whole fork separates from the whatever that called the shock. Yeah. Once I do that now, there's a 17 at the bottom. Yeah, I think no, there's a 18 at the bottom that's attached to the front lower control arm. If I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called, and it's not 18. I am mistaken. It is 19. Yeah, it's on 19. Right there. Check if a castle nut on it. A lot of times cars that done been messed with don't have the pin that goes through the castle nut. This one doesn't, so just gonna break it loose. Yeah. Take it off. Take the castle nut, throw it away. This is the problem. I don't want to wake up my neighbors. I can't hammer it, so I'm gonna use a mallet. There's a castle nut on the top holding the upper control arm, which has the little pin that goes through the castle nut. You just straighten that up, find it, and pull it out. And that castle nut, where it is, this right there, it's 17. I tried to pull the pin out, it broke inside of it, so hopefully this comes off with no problem. Hopefully. Yeah, these are things. Pull that off, throw it in the garbage. Not true. Keep all your bolts. And just take the mallet. Lick that off. And now let's get to try removing the hub. This how it moves. See? Ha! That was the easy way. I never know that at first. And I was hammering, and I'm like, yo, I could shake this and it would probably come off, and guess what? It come off. Waste a whole day. Okay, just did that. Alright, so you sit this back into the lower control arm and then start removing the motor mounts and then jack up the car. And you know what happens after I jack up the car? The engine gonna be on the ground. Yeah. So now I'm gonna jack up this car and take that rim from out underneath it. Right, so the oil out. We're gonna pull apart the motor mounts, you know. The lighting in here is shitty, but could deal with it, boy. So I'm not taking off the motor mounts. I just loosening the, what do you call it? I just loosening the bolts. I'm gonna take off this one under the T-bracket. Oh, shit. And they got this torque mount, yeah. More 17s. This motor mount, yeah. Gearbox mount. Don't try this at home, kids. Safety first. Make a professional do this or get the right tools. Why got not the right tools? And I'm not a professional. I'm a YouTube mechanic. I'm a mechanic. Alright. Block out. And slowly jack her down. Ooh! Talented view. Oh shit, that way. You got another nut. This thing got another nut at the end. I should have known that. Alright. That is out. torque mount is out. Fucking hell. Oh. Alright, the engine rocked out of place. I'm gonna jack up the car now. Engine is out. Ah. Woo. Right, my head hurting me now. 2 tires on the both sides of the cars, and I'm gonna jack it up now. Woo. Don't try this at home, kids. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yeah guys, I call it quits for tonight because the engine out. I had to use all my strength to pull it over, come more this way, so I could have put them wheels on the car and I'm gonna jack stand. But yo, man tired? Yeah, the engine on the ground. Busy way, you done know. We out.